Welcome to AI Force, your source for Salesforce AI news and insights. I'm Mark Good, and today we're looking at how a viral chatbot launched an arms race and how Salesforce is now positioning itself at the center of the next big shift with something called MCP. When OpenAI launched ChatGPT in late 2022, it was the first AI app of its kind to scale to mass adoption. It quickly became a cultural phenomenon, reaching hundreds of millions of users and setting off a wave of excitement around conversational AI. Competitors quickly took notice. Anthropic, backed by Google and Amazon, introduced its own chatbot, Claude, aimed at capturing some of that momentum. Chatbots were impressive, but text alone only went so far, and users wanted a more rich, natural interaction. OpenAI responded by adding multimodal capabilities to ChatGPT. This would give ChatGPT the ability to see, speak, and generate images. Anthropic, of course, followed suit, expanding Claude with vision and reasoning features of its own, keeping the competition tight between the two. Models became more capable and the competition was on. However, models weren't really great at actually working with tools yet and taking actions. Anthropic found that adding a data source to ground the agent would require custom implementations, making it difficult to scale, especially for enterprise. To help solve this, Anthropic introduced Model Context Protocol, or MCP. It's designed as a universal standard to make it easier and safer for AI systems to connect with data sources and software tools. A standard only matters if it gets adopted, and Salesforce is moving quickly here. As a part of its Agentforce 3 platform, Salesforce rolled out a local MCP server for Salesforce DX, giving developers a reliable way to retrieve metadata, deploy code, assign permissions, and run tests, all using an AI-enabled IDE. Salesforce is also introducing hosted MCP servers, enabling AI assistants like Claude, Cursor, and Agentforce itself to securely tap into Salesforce's APIs and services. Salesforce DevOps says that MCP is perhaps the most strategically significant announcement around Agentforce, enabling agents to connect to any MCP compliant server. They say that implications are really profound. Because of the profound nature of MCP standard, Salesforce will offer hosted MCP servers, which they will have in pilot review currently. By exposing these select APIs and data as MCP compatible services, these hosted servers enable AI assistants like Agentforce, Claude, and ChatGPT to have real-time access to Salesforce and to take actions. The MCP ecosystem goes way beyond Salesforce's own tools. Third-party providers are jumping in as well. Sierra AI, for example, now offers a plug-and-play MCP service for Salesforce. With just a quick sign-in and authentication, any AI tool that supports MCP can instantly start creating objects, modifying fields, or managing permission sets inside Salesforce without complex integrations required. So, what started as a viral chatbot has grown into a race, and with MCP, Salesforce is bringing us the agent-powered future. Thank you to everyone for joining the Agentforce Bootcamp. Subscribe below and check out the resources in the links and comments. I'll see you back here again or in Agentforce Bootcamp. I'll see you on the next one.